Hi and welcome once again. Today we're going to talk about what an additive inverse is. So what are additive inverses? Well, let's start by asking this question. How far from zero is the number the blue arrow is pointing to? How far is it from zero? Okay. Well, it's 4 away from zero, as you can see. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 away. Okay. Is there another number that is exactly the same distance away from zero on this number line? Yes, there is. -4 is also 4 away from 0 on this number line. Another way to say this is that 4 and -4 are equidistant from 0. Equidistant means the same distance away. So both 4 and -4 are the same distance away from 0. This is the basis for two concepts we'll be learning this year. The first is absolute value, which we're going to learn about really soon, and additive inverses, which we're going to learn about right now. Before we define additive inverse, let's continue a little bit. So right now, what number is the same distance from 0 as the number the blue arrow above is pointing to? Well, 6 is the same distance away from 0. So -6 in blue and +6 in yellow are the same distance away from 0 on the number line. So we can state that 6 and -6 are equidistant from 0 on a number line. Let's try one without the number line. What other number is the same distance from 0 as 3/4? How about -3/4? Yes, -3/4 and 3/4 are the same distance from 0 on a number line. Each pair of numbers we just looked at were additive inverses of each other. 4 and -4 are additive inverses of one another. -6 and 6 are additive inverses of one another. 3/4 and -3/4 are also additive inverses of one another. So how can we define additive inverses? One way is to say a pair of numbers that are equidistant from 0 on a number line. Same distance away from 0 on a number line. What might be another way to explain additive inverses? Well, how about a pair of numbers that includes a number and the same number with the opposite sign? So for example, the additive inverse of 5 is -5. The additive inverse of -2 is +2. The additive inverse of 6.3 is -6.3. Here's something interesting about that. If we look at pairs of additive inverses, let's see if you can figure it out what it is. We got -3 plus -3/4 plus +3/4. We got 4 plus -4, -6 plus 6, 5 plus -5, -2 plus 2, -6.3 plus 6.3. Well, what do they equal? They all equal the same thing, guys. They all equal 0. Every single one of those sums equals 0. So can we come up with some sort of pattern? Do you notice something here? Hopefully you notice that the sum of any pair of additive inverses is 0. That's always true, guys. The sum of any pair of additive inverses comes out to 0 every single time. Sum means what? We're adding a number and its opposite, okay? The additive inverse. Now you know all you need to know about additive inverses, at least for now. If you have any other questions, just post online or ask in class. See you soon.